What it takes to go from 0 to 1 million. Most people think building wealth is about finding the right investment, buying the right crypto, or waiting for some magical moment when money finally clicks. But here's the truth. The journey from 0 to $1 million is not one giant leap. It's 3 completely different games. And the reason most people fail? They try to play stage 3 with stage 1 rules. You don't build your first $10,000 the way you build your first $1 million. Each stage demands a new mindset, new habits, and a new version of you. So today, let's go stage by stage and break down exactly what it takes to go from 0 to 10,000, then to 100,000, and finally to $1 million. If you're serious about building wealth, this might be the most important video you watch this year. Stage 1. $0 to $10,000. The survival game. When you're starting from 0, your number one priority is not freedom. It's not passive income. It's not becoming the next Warren Buffett. It's survival and momentum. This is the stage where every dollar matters. You don't need to know how to invest in index funds or start a business right now. What you need is to prove to yourself that you can earn money, control money, and keep money. Here's what winning looks like in stage 1. Take any work you can get. Jobs, gigs, hustles, even if they're not glamorous. Your goal is cash flow, not prestige, / unnecessary expenses. If you're living paycheck to paycheck, your lifestyle is your biggest enemy. Build a small emergency fund. Even $500 to $1,000 can save you from falling into debt when something goes wrong. Learn to budget. This is about awareness, not restriction. You need to know where every rupee or dollar is going. Even saving $200 a month may feel tiny. But this is where habits are formed. The key here is not freedom. The key is proof of concept. You're proving that you can live below your means. You're proving that you can control money instead of letting money control you. And one more thing, if you have high interest debt, credit cards, payday loans, car loans, this is the time to attack them. Those debts are like holes in the bottom of your financial bucket. Until you plug them, you'll never fill it. Once you cross $10,000 saved, you've just built your foundation. Stage 2, $10,000 to $100,000. The growth game. This is where things get interesting. You've proven you can save. You've built discipline. But you won't save your way to $100,000 quickly. If you save $500 a month, it'll take you 15 years to get there. That's too slow. This stage is about increasing the gap between what you earn and what you spend. Here's where you focus on income expansion. Learn new profitable skills. Digital marketing, coding, sales, design, consulting, anything that raises your earning power. Get better paying opportunities. Ask for a raise, switch to a higher paying company, or take freelance work on the side. Build a side hustle. E-commerce, service-based businesses, content creation, anything that scales your income. But here's the trap most people fall into. As soon as they start making more money, they start spending more. New car, bigger apartment, nicer dinners. This is called lifestyle creep, and it kills your chances of ever reaching 6 figures. Your job in stage 2 is to keep your lifestyle the same while your income grows. This is how you turn $10,000 into $50,000, then $100,000. And here's where you start investing. It doesn't have to be complicated. Simple index funds, retirement accounts, or long-term ETFs are enough at this stage. The magic is not in timing the market. It's in staying consistent. When you cross $100,000 invested, compounding interest starts to feel real. A 10% return on $100,000 is $10,000. That's nearly a full month of living expenses for many people, earned without working an extra hour. Here's the truth. Most people never hit $1 million. Not because they're not smart enough, not because they're not capable, but because they wait too long to start. They keep saying, I'll start saving next month. I'll invest when I have more money. I'll work on that business idea when things calm down. But guess what? Life never calms down. Bills keep coming, emergencies keep happening, and 5 years later, they're still in the exact same place. Here's the thing. Time is your most powerful wealth-building tool. If you start today, even small amounts can compound into life-changing sums over time. But if you keep waiting, you lose the one advantage no one can give back to you: time. The question is simple. Will the next 10 years be exactly like the last 10? Or will you finally make the changes that your future self will thank you for? Because if you don't start playing the money game today, you're already falling behind. Stage 3. $100,000 to $1 million, the wealth game. This is where the rules change completely. Saving and budgeting alone won't get you there. You need leverage. Leverage means making your money, and sometimes other people's money, work harder than you. Here's what leverage can look like. Investments. Your $100,000 in index funds grows faster now thanks to compounding. Real estate. Rental properties can create cash flow and appreciate over time. Business. This is the stage where starting a business can multiply your wealth faster than a salary ever could. Equity and ownership. Owning pieces of companies, even your own, is what takes you from 6 to 7 figures. But here's the hardest part of stage 3. It takes time. This is where most people quit because progress feels too slow. From $0 to $10,000, you see progress in months. From $10,000 to $100,000, you see progress in a few years. But from $100,000 to $1 million, this often takes a decade or more. And here's the thing, you won't always feel like you're winning. Sometimes it feels like nothing is happening, but wealth at this stage grows silently, like a tree growing roots underground. And then one day, the growth shoots upward. Everyone calls you an overnight success, but you know the truth. You've been building quietly for years. The 3 versions of you. Here's what no one tells you. Each stage demands a new version of you. Stage 1 requires discipline. You have to learn to say no, to delay gratification, to resist the urge to spend. Stage 2 requires skill. You need to grow, to negotiate, to find ways to earn more than before. Stage 3 requires vision. You need to think long-term, to build systems and assets that grow without your constant effort. The habits that got you to $10,000 won't get you to $100,000. And the habits that got you to $100,000 won't get you to $1 million. You must keep upgrading your playbook. Mindset shift. Stop comparing yourself to people who are at a different stage. If you're at $0, your only goal is survival. If you're at $10,000, your only goal is growth. If you're at $100,000, your only goal is to build wealth that works without you. Your only competition is who you were yesterday. Patience plus consistency equals $1 million. If you can stay patient, stay consistent, and resist shortcuts, the $1 million goal becomes almost inevitable. $0 to $10,000 proves you can manage money. $10,000 to $100,000 proves you can grow money. $100,000 to $1 million proves you can build wealth that lasts generations. Each stage sharpens you. Discipline, skill, vision. And when you master all 3, money stops being something you chase and becomes something that works for you 24/7. If you're serious about building wealth and transforming your financial future, this is just the beginning. Subscribe to our channel right now, because every week we share proven strategies to grow your income, build wealth, and escape the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. Don't just watch, take action. Your journey from $0 to $1 million starts today.